In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to WooCommerce so you can link your store and start managing print-on-demand products through Printify. To get started, log into your Printify account and open your dashboard. From here, look for the store selector at the top, which may be labeled My New Store. Click the My New Store drop-down menu. This is where Printify lets you switch between connected stores or add a new sales channel. Select Add a New Store from the menu. You'll now see the available platforms that Printify can connect to. Choose WooCommerce from the list. This starts the connection process specifically for your WooCommerce store. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify and WooCommerce tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Next, click Continue. Printify will then ask you to provide the details for your WooCommerce account. Enter the requested information to authorize the connection and link your store. Once the details are submitted and the connection is approved, your WooCommerce store will be connected to Printify.